Good day everyone, my name is Manuel Latif. I'm a remote sensing and GIS skill developer, and welcome to this channel where we make videos on remote sensing and GIS topic. I would advise you like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more updates about the videos we make. And we have dropped some videos before now. If you are just new to this channel, you can check those videos and you can be able to catch up and learn new things. In today's video, I will be visualizing flood occurrences, and I will be visualizing before flood occurrence and after flood occurrence, and I will be comparing them. So let us get straight to it. We'll be using EO Browser today, and let us go straight to it. So I would be visualizing the flood occurrence that happens in Pakistan year 2022. So yeah, I'm just going to search the region of interest. I had made video about how to use EO Browser before now, so you can check that and follow up. Yeah, so okay, this region in Pakistan. Okay, this is good. So I'm just going to search. We'll be using Sentinel 2. So I'm going to search for a data set before the flood occurrence. I believe the flood occurrence happened August to early September. So we are going to search before the flood occurrence. So I'm just going to select Sentinel 2, and of course I would reduce the cloud coverage so we can get the detail. Then I'm just going to search. Okay, that is 2022, then January 1. So say I'm searching till 2022 April, or maybe March, I don't want, March 31. Then I'm just going to search. Okay, this is good. Okay, since this is 0% cloud cover, I'm going to visualize this. Okay, then I would scroll down to my normalized difference water index. I'm going to select it. So very good. And we can see the water bodies in blue. So I'm just going to create a threshold. Since normalized difference water index is band 3 and band 8, that is green. So band 3, sorry, I'm going to come to the index. Band 3 and band 8. So I would visualize that. We can see the water body. I'm going to change my threshold to blue for better visualization. So we can see it, see the water body. Then let us now go to when the flood occur. But before we do that, we are going to add this to compare. And so I'm going back to search again. So since the flooding occurred August, so I'm just going to come down to I'm going to come down to August. Okay, maybe September, early September. So then August 1 to September 30. So we are just going to search this. So this is our region of interest. I'm looking for, okay, we have a better image here. Let me visualize this. I'm just going to visualize the differential water index. So now we can see. So let me also create a threshold, and that is band 3 and band 8. I'm going to put it again. Very good. And I'm going to put blue as my threshold. This is good. Then I would add it to compare again. So we have two images in our compare panel. Yeah. So you can see the flood occurrence now. I'm trying to wipe. You can see this is the before the cloud and before the flood rather, and this is after the flood. This is before, this is after the flood, and this is before the flood. We can see the flood occurrence, and we can, with this we can be able to continue our analysis. So once again, we can see this is after flood. Let me, good. So can see that. Very good. So this is before the flooding, and this is after the flooding occurrence. You can see that. Then you can see it. So with this, you can further your analysis to plot your risk map, vulnerability map, risk vulnerability map, and others. So that is it. So thank you for staying to the end of the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Bye.